When people talk about a D-ring snaffle or a full cheek snaffle or a O-ring snaffle, what they're referring to, the word snaffle refers to the mouthpiece. So it means it breaks in the middle, like so, one break, one hinge. When they see D-ring, you see how the ring on the side of this is shaped like a D? Full cheek, you see the two bars? It means it goes all the way up and down beside the horse's head. Both of these are so when you pull one way or the other, it doesn't slide through their mouth. Then you have an O-ring. This is an O-ring snaffle. And depending on how big or small the O-ring is, the reason that people like this is how bendy and movie it is, but it has a tendency, if you get in a bind and you really pull on them, that it wants to go in their mouth.